All right, so it's about 5:30 on a Wednesday. It's really not that hot today in Beaumont. It's only 85 right now, which is pretty cool compared to what it's been the last few weeks. We've been in the upper 90s, and usually at this time of the day we're still in the 90s. So just to give you an idea, because I'm about to insulate this whole shop, of where we're at on temperature. Right now, this is the west wall of my shop. The sun's directly on it for the majority of the end of the day. So after lunchtime, the sun hits this wall and stays on it till about 7 o'clock. Right now, it's at 1:30. Get up a little higher. Got about 133. Down low. It's about 120, 122. I don't know if this fence is blocked it yet. Let's take a look. Yeah, you can see where the fence is starting to cast a shadow. On this side, now the sun's off of this, so there's nothing, no direct sunlight on it. Let's see what it is over here. Okay, so it's still about 101. Take a look at the roof. Roof says 105, which I'm not insulating the roof just yet. And I always take one over here. About 98 degrees, middle of the shop. Look at the floor. 94 degrees. So I mean, it got pretty hot in here today. But all this is about to be insulated. I'm doing it myself. I'm gonna use foam board. We'll see what it does. It doesn't have to be, you know, freezing cold in here. The main thing is to insulate it, get it kind of sealed up so that when these go in, both of these are 24,000 BTUs. My neighbor around the corner, he's got one 36,000 BTU mini split in a shop. It's actually a little bit bigger than this one. And man, it's as comfortable as my house. It's probably, you know, midday, high 70s, which, you know, is easy peasy to get out here and work in the high 70s. And then they also have heat. So the 3 days out of the year that it's cold in Texas, I'll be able to turn the heater on. So just wanted to kind of show again where we're at temperature wise. Currently, the higher I go up, I think the higher that gets. And then once I'm done, I'm going to try to knock this out this weekend. I'll be able to shoot it again. That way we can see how big of a difference the foam board insulation makes. And then after that's up, we'll get these in. And then we'll really see how big a difference it all makes. Tyrone out.